Hi, how you doing? So today we're going to make some fish fries, kind of Indian style fish fry. We're using a fish today called black spot or black pearl spot. It also has many other names. Check the text below. I'll leave some details of other names. But it really is very simple to make and it's very, very delicious. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. Okay, so we're going to make our masala here. It's very, very simple. We've got 3 teaspoons chili powder, 3 of turmeric, 3 of garam masala powder, 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste, about half a cup of water, and about 3 tablespoons of lemon or lime juice. Now look, just to let you know, you can adjust this as much as you want, entirely up to you. Very simply, all in a bowl, give it a little mix so we can make a paste or masala. So I've got a small mixing bowl and I've put that half cup of water in there, lemon or lime juice, turmeric, garam masala powder, chili powder. We're also going to add some salt, about a teaspoon, black pepper, about a teaspoon, the garlic ginger paste, tablespoon, and then we're going to mix. Okay, so our masala is done. You can get it as thick or as thin as you like. You want to kind of not too thin but not too thick. And like I say, you can adjust the amounts of what you're putting in. And if you wanted, you could add some other spices. So the fish I'm using here is called pearl spot. It's a pearl spot fish. It also has loads of other different names depending on where you come from. In Kerala, in Goa, in Sri Lanka, wherever. It's got different names for it. Check the thumbnail, I've put them on there, or check the details below. I'll leave some details there. But we're going to be calling it pearl spot today. Now we're going to just simply get our marination. You can see I've got a glove on. We're just going to drop our marination in there, the masala. And then we're just going to work this in with our glove, in, on and around. And ideally you want to leave this for an hour, 2 hours in the refrigerator, and then simply we're going to go for a fry. It really is very easy and delicious. And by the way, this fish is really, really super delicious, really good. But you could use a different fish if you wanted. Okay, so I've got some oil in there. I'm using a sunflower oil. You could use coconut oil or something like that if you want. Very simply, we're going to grab our fish. We're on a below medium heat. You don't want it too hot. And in they go. Now we're going to get a little bit of blackening on the fish, but if you've got it up too high, you're going to get too much blackening. But the little bit of blackening is kind of part of it. So in they go. About 4 minutes aside. Now if you want, you could add the balance of this masala. I think there's enough on there for me. Very simple. Just going to turn it a couple of times. Like I say, about 4 minutes aside for this size fish. Okay, simple as can be, isn't it? So off goes the heat onto a plate. So that's super delicious, really, really delicious. I mean, that fish in particular is fantastic. Like I say, if you can't get that, use a different fish. You could use tilapia or something like that. Very easy. Hope you enjoy that. Keep safe, keep well. I'll see you soon. Lots of love. Thank you so much for stopping by and making it to the end of the videos. If you would like to donate to me, there's a thanks button in most countries. You can give me $2 or up to $50. I need to buy a new Ferrari. Come on, help me out.